Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing from Gems Nail Systems. It is an order that I've placed out of my own money. It's not a sponsored video. So I just want to show you what I've got. And it is an acrylic kit. So, oh, a nice little buffer. So I'm just going to move the box to the side and oh, peanuts. So I'm just going to move the box to the side and we'll pull it out and have a look at it one by one. Oh, peanuts escaping. Right, so the first thing we have is an acrylic pot and it's Precious. Give it a bit of a shake up. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm going to have acrylic everywhere. Oh, I'm very careful. Oh, look at that. Very pale pink. I can't wait to have a swatch of this. I'm not going to swatch in this video. I'm just going to show what we've got. And I shall do a swatching in another video. So that's Precious. Oh. And we've got another acrylic, which is Crystal. So I'm guessing that that's clear. So we don't need to look what a clear is because everybody knows what a clear looks like. Cute little pots though. And we have another acrylic. Well, it is an acrylic box, so it's all going to be acrylic powders. And we have Pinky. Looks like a very nice pink. Very beautiful pink. Oh, let's have a look, see what it's like. Oh, gosh, okay. It's coming out everywhere. Ooh. Yeah, another pink. Oh, I can't wait to do a swatch of these. It's a bit warm at the minute, especially with this heat. Oh, escaping lids. Oh dear. Okay, let's see what else we've got in here. And we have Angel, which I'm guessing is a white. These pots are so cute. And another one. And in this one we have Peachy, which I guess a shade of pink. I don't know if I should open them. The acrylic's going everywhere. Oh, glasses falling off my nose. Let's have a look. No, we've got to have a look. Turn it that way and then I can pick it up. So this one. Oh, there we go. Oh. Ooh. It's a lovely peachy colour. Be a nice cover powder. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Oh, I'm sliding all of them. Oh, here we go. I don't think my desk got an ice rink. Okay, let's have a look. So we have a little bottle. Guessing this is monomer. So let's see if I can open it. Nope. Let me just. just grab my little knife. Put the lid back on that. And we have, yeah, oh, sticking to my Melody Monomer. Put that down there. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Oh, it's got a pipette for a lid, look. How cool is that? That's easy to get it in your dapping dish rather than pouring it. You're not going to spill it everywhere. That's beautiful. Let's have a look, see what else we've got in here. Oh, another bottle. And we have Sally's Slip and Finishing Solution. Ah, yes. Okay. I remember what this is for now. I did get some Acrogel as well. So that's a solution for the Acrogel. Nice. Okay, so let's have a look at the Acrogels. So this is an Acrogel pot and it is Wonder White. Let's have a look, so I'm going to open it and see what it's like inside. Oh, look at that. Should I take it off? Yes? No? Let me just grab some tweezers. We'll take it off and have a look. Sorry guys, I won't be a minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Nice and gloopy. Oh, 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 oh. That's better. Look at that. Now, I'm a bit scared of using this now. Because... yeah, it's quite warm. Oh, let's put it back in. Is it going to spill? Oh, in you go. So that's white. Forgive me guys, I've never done a unboxing before. This is my second video, first one talking. The other one had no sound because it got corrupted. I don't know why. But yeah, so please bear with me. I am new to this. So this one is, oh look at that. It's a nudie colour. Did I show what colour it was? No I didn't. Peachy. So that's peachy. I'll show you again. It's a beautiful colour. So that's that one. And the next one is Precious. Oh, let's have a look and see what this one is. Which is, I guess, is going to be another pink to go with the Precious. Oh, this one's a bit sticky. Yeah, I think they're going to be the same. I think they're the same as what the acrylic's going to look like once the monomer's added to it. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So that's that one. Precious. And oh, another, the last one I think is Crystal, which is again is going to be a clear. Yeah. Pretty. And I also ordered, oh hold up, we've got another one here. Ah, here we go. Yeah, pinky. Again, probably going to be the same colour as the acrylic. So we get to see what colour the acrylic's going to be once the monomer has been added to it. Oh, that's a nice nude. That's beautiful. Beautiful shade of pink. Oh, on we go. There you go. So that's the Aquagel and the solution. Down. And oh, come on. And the acrylic and the monomer. Let's bring it down further so you can see. A free buffer. And the last thing I ordered was, oh, look at that, Hannah, the hydrating spritz. Let's have a smell. Oh. Ooh. I was watching a live the other day, the Gem's Nail Team live, and they were talking about the smell of the boxes that Gemma sends out, and they're all going on about how Gemma's box smells. It was funny, but yeah, I'm getting a whiff of that now, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a spritz, see what it smells like. I've got gloves on, so I'm going to do it on the back of my arm. Back of my arm. Oh, that's a very fine mist. Oh, oh, do you know? It smells. Oh, it's cherries, definitely cherries. Oh, do you know? That smell. What does it remind me of? Cherry, is it cherry bubblegum? Oh, there used to be a sweet that smelled like that. Oh wow, that is amazing. That smell is absolutely beautiful. Oh, and that's it. Now, I will be doing some swatches at a later date. Not right now, because it is way too warm. It's like a sauna in here. But yeah, I should be doing swatches to see what they're like. Apologies for keep saying as I said, this is, you know, I'm new to this. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd be grateful if you could subscribe, as that does help. I am a qualified nail tech, just I'm not a working tech at the moment. Yeah, and I just want to keep my hand in, keep up to date with all the new products. Yeah, so if you like what you see and you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and follow me along on my journey, and see where it takes us. Be much appreciated. Apologies. I'll put my teeth back in and speak. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.